Hello everyone and welcome back. So today, or should I say tonight, I'm out with the Lumix S1R trying to do some astrophotography or I don't know, pictures of the stars. So to the intro and then we'll get on with it. So, I have now swapped from the Lumix S1H to the Lumix S1R to see what the difference is. And I thought a good test of that lovely high megapixel sensor would be to get out at night and try and get some pictures of some stars. So we will see just what I can get. As it is, it's freezing cold, there are loads and loads of stars about, but I am a complete novice at taking pictures of stars. So if you've seen some previous videos that don't always go the best, for instance when I went searching for a kingfisher and wasted an entire day not able to get anything, or when one of my friends told me that there was some really interesting birds up a stream, so I went on a 12-mile walk and got some pictures of some ducks. I don't have the best of luck when it comes to not shooting anything other than landscapes, so it might be a fun video. As it is at the minute, this is a bit Blair Witch, and every time I hear a noise, I think I'm going to get stabbed to death. So if this video don't come out, I'm dead. I'm still alive. None of the noises in the woods has actually came out to kill me. I think it's just trees. And I think I've actually managed to get some half decent pictures. What I'm going to put up here. Now if you like half decent pictures in your Instagram feed, then please head on over to my channel homepage and you will find a link there to my Instagram, where nearly every day there's alright-ish pictures of landscapes and possibly some stars getting put up. In my next video, it's going to be a more in-depth review on how this Lumix S1R is performing for landscape photography. Obviously this took it a bit out of its comfort zone, and hopefully I will be able to get you to hit the subscribe button and the bell down here so that you get notified about that when it comes out. As with all my videos, I really do appreciate it if you could like, if you could comment on them. Constructive criticism is always welcome. And if you could subscribe to me, that would be fantastic, because it shows that you care a little bit. And that's nice, because I'm getting loads of views, but not many subscriptions. For me to carry on the channel, I need to see that it can grow. So, thanks again for watching. Not a fail video, and not me getting murdered by a badger. So, I'm walking, and up ahead, I think I see a wild animal looking at me. And then, stupidly, I realise it's my car parked up, and it's the car headlights and the number plate reflecting off my head torch. I almost just laid 10 kittens